Good morning. Welcome back to the English class. Open your Sparkle book, children. Open your Sparkle book, page number 10. Open your page number 10, children. Okay. So today we will go learn grammar part. Tina had something to say about an event in the past. Use the verbs was and were to complete the sentences. Okay. We have to use was and were to fill the sentences. Tina was in Ooty. W-A-S. Was. Was means we use for singular. Tina is alone here, right? Was. Where means for plural. Okay. Her parents. Parents means mom and dad. Both will come, no? Again here it comes plural. When plural is there, we have to use were. Her parents were, W-E-R-E, were with her. Ooty was very cool. Was, W-A-S. Ooty was very cool. It was crowded. It was very crowded. There were many people. W-E-R-E. There were many people from all parts of India. They were shopping. W-E-R-E. They were shopping. People were happy. W-E-R-E. People were happy moving in the streets. Here we used was and were to fill the blanks. Okay. Next we have Tina speaks about the future. Future means yet to come, tomorrow. Okay. Future means next. Events, future events by using verb will be. Replace the underlined words with will be and rewrite the sentences. Here is there, no? Underlined word. We have to replace it with will be. Now see here. I will write the visit to Ooty is a hit. Now we have to write as the THE, the visit to Ooty will be W-I-L-L-B-A hit, H-I-T hit. So we have replaced is with will be. Here where people were happy. Again P-E-O-P-L-E, people will be. W-I-L-L will, B-E-B, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. People will be happy. Tina was in the garden. Was we have to replace with will be. Tina will be in the garden. Okay. Next one is I am in the market. Now here we have to write I will be in the market. Okay. What we did? We replaced underlined words with will be. Isn't it? So our next question is underline the verbs in the following sentences. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. We have to underline the verbs. Okay. Write in the box whether they tell about the present, past or future. Okay. What we have to do? We have to underline the verb and we have to write present, past, future. Present means what's going on right now. Present andra ಈ ಸದ್ಯ ನಡೆಯೋದು. Past means what already happened. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಗಿದಿದ್ದು, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. Listen children, first sentence is the children are at the park. R means present. Right? I am writing here present. P present. They were at the market this morning. Where means already happened. Mugdoitu. This is past. 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 The bus stop was crowded. Was andre mugdoitu. Was crowded means past. 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 Next page. There is no bus available to go home. There is no bus available to go home. Present. Now at present there is no bus available. Okay. We will be taking a taxi. Will be. Sorry. First let us underline this one. Is. We will be taking a taxi. Will be. Will be means future. 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 So we have written present, past and future. Okay. Remember, present means what's going on right now. Past means already happened and future means yet to happen. Okay. Next question is complete the sentences using is, are, was, were, will be. Montu dash absent yesterday. Yesterday means already happened. So we have to use was. W-A-S. Montu was absent yesterday. He dash present today. He dash present today. Present means now. Today. Today means it's present. That means he is present today. He dash writing an exam tomorrow. He will be. W-I-L-L-B-E. He will be writing an exam tomorrow. Isn't it? So we have written was. For yesterday was. For today present is. For future will be. Okay. There is a challenge, children. In each sentence, circle the incorrectly used verb. Write the correct verb on the line. See here. The sun was a source of energy. Was means it was there. Right now it's not there. Was andre madlittu igilla andanga. Allah. It's not like that. Circle incorrect. Here it should be sun is. I-S is. The elephant will be a mammal. The elephant is mammal, not will be. The elephant is a mammal. Next. Eggs were an animal product. Eggs are. Here we have to use are. A-R-E. Eggs are an animal product. The dinosaur is a living animal. Is means present. So this is wrong. It was. It's not. Dinosaurs are not available now. Isn't it? So dinosaur was a living animal. Isn't it? So next question is write sentences using the given verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. Children, we have to use these words in our own sentence. First one. Am. Let us write sentence with am. I am happy. H-A-P-P-Y. I am happy. Isn't it? Second one. Be. Is. I-S is. This. I-S is a ball. So, the given words we have to use in a sentence and we have to make own sentence. Okay. See. You can write your own sentence also, children. It's not compulsory that what I have written you have to write sign. ನಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತೇನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಓನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. A-R-E-R. There are. T-H-E-R-E. There are animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Okay. D. Was. W-A-S. Was. There was a bus. Okay, next last one. Where, W-E-R-E, where. We were in the park. Okay, I have written here. Children, you don't write here in the textbook, you write in your notebook. Okay, now I'll send the PDF of both the pages. Write in your classwork and complete your textbook also, and send me the clear images, children. Okay, send the clear images. Complete your page number 10 and page number 11. Here we completed our first poem. In next class we will learn about Lion and the Mouse, children. Okay, I hope you all understood this class. Let us meet in the next class. Until, take care. Bye.